Bill, do you want to talk a bit more about some of the attributes of,
Yeah.
of Bloombux?
Yeah, so it's really well branched, responds really well to pruning, similar to a boxwood in that way. But we've got flowers in May, similar to a regular rhododendron. So the flowers, as you know, once they're flowered out, the hedge still looks gorgeous. The foliage will start growing through the flowers. And then you've got this beautiful 2.5–3 foot hedge, which is an excellent border. It's very clean, and yeah, who doesn't want flowers on their boxwood? So
Yeah.
it's pretty cool.
It's really cool. Hey, do you want to grab the one right behind you there, Bill? And that one. So this one is Bloombux Blush. And then we also have Bloombux Magenta. So we had some with flowers, but we thought it'd be kind of interesting just for you to see what it looks like when it's past flowering, and to have a really good look at the form. Looks great in both states, and